All right, Coach Whitmore. A point here, basically a 1-1 draw. Definitely start of the campaign. Team played well, but definitely waste a lot of opportunity, I would say. What do you think about the team performance here?
Well, again, it was a game of 2 halves. You know, we come next week to play the second leg. As you indicate before, we missed some chances, but it was an opportunity for some players this afternoon, you know, to get in game time. Very pleased with some of their performance, but you see a little match fitness, you know, let us down. But all in all, I think it was a fair enough game.
Bygrave on the score sheet now. How important is he getting the firing at this point of time I see?
Well, again, we are at the back end of the season, and we want everyone up and running, and Bygrave is a part of that puzzle. So we look forward for a fit Bygrave that can give 100% and to add to what we have here at Mount Pleasant.
Looking to on the second leg to take it away.
Well, again, before we look on the second leg, I think we have to look on the positives and the negatives this afternoon, and then we look to the Premier League game on Sunday before we attack the second leg of this cup tie. All right.
Opposition,
no, well, again, we know what Cavalier have to offer, and it was no surprise, especially in the second half when Anderson, Webster, and Busy were introduced. I think we were prepared for that. All right.